Okay, William Jeremy here. So this video will be very challenging, and it's one of my favorite functionality, favorite process is refactoring. So I think we already reached the stage that we need to refactor. Okay, so this is like a sweet spot that you have to find, because you don't want to refactor too early. You don't want to refactor too late. If you refactor too late, that's sort of there's no meaning of a refactor too late. If you already ready for publish, and then you refactor just to you find yourself a work to do, because you don't no longer need to expand your project or something like that. And yeah, so you don't want to do that, but you don't want to refactor too early, because that will be waste of time, because the project's functionality is not like a really settled yet. You don't want to do that. So first we have to go back to the left side. Okay, so we're going to get the structure correct. So what I'm going to do is create multiple structure. So I'm going to create a new folder, and that folder will be first MVVM, right? So view, model, view, and view model. So that's say like MVVM stand for. So models. Okay, and then another new folder, and that will be models and views. Okay, and view models, view. Okay, and so in models we got the let's first create all these things that I think I will refactor. Okay. Also, I got the utility, because we also use the API to render image and actually export that. So we also need utility to help us do that. And yeah, we may need to use extension, because I want our project to be more extendable. Okay, but also I want the resources. How to spell that? Resources. Okay, so first resources, we can already got the the asset. Next the asset, we can just click and drag it, just put it inside the resources, and inside that we got a app icon as well as can call it. Okay, that's pretty good. And we can get some of the preview. Doesn't really matter for now. And yeah, right now the content view, I think we can safely, is a view, right? So we can put inside of views. And in fact, I think I'm going to go for a reusable content. So add another folder inside of it. So main view, as well as a reusable component UI. So components. So basically, components is the thing that I will use that again and again and again. So just make it modularized. And the main view, content view, right? It's like a default. It's index.html, if you are familiar with the web development. Sorry. I still remember the time when I first, into the computer science, and that time is just HTML, CSS without all this framework, and yeah, it's amazing time. And the first web page that I built is called index.html. Yeah, pretty reminiscent. Thumbnail maker app. It's just some app. Okay. Of course, you can. Yeah, let me make a app folder to put the app inside. Okay. Yeah, of course. At any time, you should be able to run this without any problem at all. That's because it's just to reorganize things. Plist, I don't think we need to put it inside anyway for now. So yeah, build successful. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. Okay, pretty good. So let's do the refactoring. Okay, so basically the entering point of this will be here, and then inside the model we're going to contain our data model and all this enumeration, all this yeah, all different things. Okay, and view model will be where's our view model? The business logic will be here. Okay, so for example, we get like a different state. We have to find a state place to store the state variable. If you look at my bit here, okay, the state variable is crazy. Okay, we don't want that. Okay, it's like crazy. Okay, and of course you won't get like the preview section, all that into components, so we can reuse that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, so let's do the bulky work together. So let's, yeah, by the way, I just do the git commit because do you do that? You should do that too. Well, because yeah, something may go wrong, and you have the option like reroll to the previous version. So basically, this a thumbnail maker app, yeah, good. And at the models here, right now we don't have any file, so we have to create a file first. Okay, and let's create this model. So we don't necessarily need all this UI view, just UI Swift to handle. So model, we got this thumbnail model, okay, and also we want to get the enumerator. Yeah, sorry. Thumbnail enumerator, enum. Okay, enumerator. Yeah, just yeah, I have to make the placeholder here. Even if you want to use it, you have to make a placeholder. You have to know this basic structure. So that's where, you know, your value comes in. Also, we got views. Views we got inside the main, but also the reusable components. Main right now we got the main content as well as the I think the like the settings. So is right now from this moment it's mainly about like a personal preference. There's no like strict rule here. So settings view, okay, settings view and content view. Okay, so mainly there will be settings and well, there's invalid declaration of setting view. Okay, yeah, maybe we already got the setting view. Yeah, so that's the reason it got, because if you look at here, there must be some like a duplication. Okay, invalid. That's because it's a duplicate. Doesn't really matter. We will fix that. Right now, I just want to get the basic structure ready. Okay, and your content, your setting, and reusable components. Yeah, in fact, I want to do two views. Content view setting, but also one for simple maker view. Okay, the other for premium maker. Okay, how to spell premium maker? Premium. Yeah, I'm really bad at spelling. Premium maker view. Setting simple premium maker. I think setting can go. Yeah, this kind of can do it. And then all this like legal term service, all that. Yeah, you don't need to worry too much about that because we will come to that nitty-gritty part, especially when just before the listing, dealing with the legal parts. Yeah, and so the main parts should be ready, and then components, some reusable components can't miss. So UI, and say you want to like thumbnail content. Okay, or maybe preview thumbnail content, maybe preview view. Okay, as long as you want things that go with the preview, you can view component, preview component view. Yeah, let me just make it pretty specifically. There's no written rule about the naming convention as long as you go consistent. Okay, if you're working in team, as long as you and your team are happy, there's no correct way of doing things. Okay, so preview component, components, preview components, I think. Yeah, just one component at a time, preview component view. All right, and also we got the like the aspect ratio selector component. Okay, I add component view at the end so you guys can like see that clearly of what's going on. Yeah, so create again, and then you may do some like customization control, something like that. So aspect ratio. Okay, let me check. I'm not sure about. So customization. Yeah. So the customization appearance. So the background color, text color, and size. There will be customization. Yeah. And position and ratio. So bigger one, the bigger, and then place. Yeah, we can do that. So the customization may also need a adding a lot of customization. So yeah, we can say the customization. So yeah, let's do that. So customization is good word. So customization control component view. Okay, it's a pretty long name. Oh my gosh. Okay, pretty long name. And finger crossed, we can you can got that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much the reusable components that we're going to use. And yeah, that's pretty much all about view. And sometimes you can you can got like a components main and some shared view. Okay, so if you got like a customized button, something like that, like sometimes you design things, you want to do that. You can also share it. So sometimes you might add a shared view, just add a like a folder. But right now I think I will skip that. And yeah, don't forget the utility. We haven't got a created. So utility, I'm thinking of because we're going to dealing with image, I think maybe Swift will be fine. So image render or yeah, image render. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And extension, we might need to extend the might need to extend view because we want to control the preview. I think maybe need to extend view as well. So maybe Swift UI, I'm not sure. Okay, maybe Swift UI. And I'm going to say view. If you want to extend something, view plus extension. Okay. You got something like this. Okay, so view extension, and the rest is just the resources and all of that. So it doesn't really matter at this point. Yeah, so we pretty much sort of reorganized the project, but we haven't been able to actually move all this code from the content view out. So we're going to do that in the next video. Okay, thanks, bye.